So hello everyone, let's have a look at the XAUUSD gold chart, and this is the daily time frame. As you can see, I'm using TradingView here. The first thing that you can notice on the daily time frame is that gold has recently made a higher high, but on the converse there is a clear classic divergence on the RSI. You can clearly see that there is a divergence in the RSI indicator on the daily time frame, which is indicating for a bearish further move. This is the first symptom of a bullish move, which has been followed by a nice bearish engulfing candle here on the charts. If you just switch to the weekly charts, you will observe that after a gravestone doji, there is a bearish candle. Even though the bearish candle has a nice lower wick and it has been pierced by bulls before closing, if you look at the corrections in gold since 2022, you will observe that mostly all of the corrections followed a similar pattern. They would give you a spinning top or something like a gravestone doji followed by a bearish candle, and then you can expect some correction from there. You see, this is also like a gravestone doji candle. You might call this inverted hammer as well. So after that you get a good bearish candle, even though there is some bullish pullback. Here, these are weekly candles, so they are much more reliable. So you do see a little correction in gold whenever this happens. Now if you look at the charts here, this has happened after a long time. I believe after this 8th May candle, there has been no candle as such, no combination of two candlestick patterns as such. Yes, there is none. So it is happening at an all-time high, combined with her classic divergence on the daily time frame in the RSI indicator, which suggests that gold can be bearish. And if you ask me for targets, the first target that I'll give you is actually the moving average on the weekly time frame, which is very close with a daily time frame zone which we have marked on our charts. So the first target for us will be somewhere near 2500 if you are going short on gold. And if you just switch to the 4-hourly time frame, you will notice how the Bollinger Bands have shown clear divergence, and this was a good wave to ride. Let me just show you the trades I took in gold based on the analysis I did. So this is my MT5 account. If you just switch to the hourly time frame, you will notice that as soon as the Bollinger Band expansion happened, I took one trade here in gold. I have kept my stop loss for this trade very long. In fact, it's near the all-time high, I guess. It's a very large stop loss. Yes, this is approximately 85 point stop loss, because I'm expecting a move which is at least 131 points, a minimum, and it can even go further down. If it goes further down, the second profit booking zone can actually be looked forward by using the weekly time frame again. You can see this is also a relevant zone for us on the daily time frame. This has been a relevant zone for us. So the second target I would choose is the lower Bollinger Band. If you just go into the past and you look the corrections which have happened in gold, after this candlestick pattern which we have just observed, gold either hits the lower Bollinger Bands, or at the bare minimum you will touch the moving average. the weekly moving average. You see, you will touch the lower band or you will touch the moving average. So the first target will be the moving average, which is 2500, something like that. The second target for me, even if the Bollinger Band changes the shape, would be this zone, which is approximately 2434. So if you just switch again to the hourly time frame, you will notice, let me just make this 4 hours so that it's clear. Yes, then you'll notice that if you take a short trade over here, a short position on this candle, and you keep your SL large enough, but you keep your targets equally big, it's giving you the risk reward of 1:2. So you can take this trade if you have the risk appetite for the same. As you can see, I'm using a demo account as of now, so I've taken the trade. I'm bearish on gold. Price action has been in favor since. Let's hope to hit the first target profit booking, which is 1:1, I guess. Yes, it is 1:1, and then we'll go for 1:2 on this trade. For some of you who might be thinking the SL is quite large, you can just keep the SL at swing high, and take and ride this trend forward. So that's the gold analysis from my side. Thank you everyone.